Don't be a nigga in this bitch. Never had a hater. Never had a faker. Cause I gotta slay them haters. We don't give a fuck. We smoking every day. Them blunts. They big as fucked up. Big and stuffed up. Blowing down in our mouth at the trees. Here we go. Coming back up with the flow. I'm coming back and get some more. Put it in my hand. Don't give me nothing less than the grand. Or I'm be mad. Cause I'm going insane. And you sad. Yeah, you just sitting there like a little punk. A little chump. They're ready to get fucked up in the luck up. Your butt's up, nigga. Cause I'm putting your luck up. Put it in the box and then I'm making sure it live. I'm going pop, pop, pop till your body drops out. And I'm never gonna stop till I reach the fucking top. With me and my crew, raw pump, what it do? That's all my niggas do is straight ride on you. And your whole fucking crew can get knocked down. We knock them down just like we said it in the song it passed. Coming down, and it's not here. Cause I show no fear, niggas ain't never here. They over there somewhere, they not coming back where, and then they coming back down to earth. I'm going out there. Now let's go, so I can hit the floor. Put it every day, climbing steps like I'm Promo. And I'm prime for more, cause I got the dimes and more. I don't give a fuck about a nigga, cause I got rhymes and more. Nigga, ride you whore, just like a fucking horse in the motherfucking store. And that's horse for you. And yeah, I'm gonna be more to you than you fucking ever could floor, do you? Nigga, whatever a bitch could do for you, a nigga probably do it better, faggot, nigga. You better check it coming out the closet, have it, nigga. Cause I just straight trip you up in rabbit, nigga. Just like that nigga coming up out the hole. You digging for carrots, but you ain't getting parts of the hole, bitch. And that's raw push for your ass. Gonna see a Vega, Mr. Bates. Ha. Yeah, you already know it.